Today is August 4, 2013, and Carl is going to 3 years on August 24. So we will see how Carl will put or place all the numbers. Okay? Put this one in the bed, the board. "13." What number is that? 14. Very good. 20. What number? Carl, tell me what number?
What's this, Mommy? What's this?
What number is that?
11.
Very good. Put there 11. Okay, good. Next. What number is that? Tell me the number. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, what are the other numbers?
Under. What's the numbers?
What number is that? Here, more.
Under the numbers.
Okay. What number is that? Very good.
What's the numbers? Number 2.
16.
What's that one number?
What number? Which number missing now?
No more numbers there.
Okay, I will check. Maybe it's missing.
This one. Number 18 numbers.
18.
18 numbers.
Okay, count now. Okay, count. You destroy. Put in the bed.
Oh, no.
Okay, enough now. Bye-bye.